June 5 siya. 'Cause when you need a friend that you can yun yung kinanta ko nung nakaraan sa LS ko. Naku, malaking bata. Gold digger, gold digger. Salamat sis diyan. Sis Ann, salamat diyan. Maganda yun, ayusin mo. Maganda yan, ayusin mo. Ano kakantahin ko? Kinanta ko na nga yun nung nakaraan. Kanta ko ng iba. A friend. Gusto niyo ng a friend? Or request na kayo ng iba? A friend. A friend. One friend. Ah, sige, sige. One friend. Tapos iha-highlight ko. Ay. Oh, one friend meron. Ito na. Tsaka yung ano, that's what friends are for. Ito na. Lagyan ko ng, ay magkaka-CPR eh. Sis Ann. Magkaka-CPR. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng music ha. Natamad akong magsi-CPR siya eh. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took a hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we weren't together, made the dreams come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, believes without a doubt that I can move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, wanted to be you. Sis Ann. Walang ano to, walang music. Thank you, Sis Ann. Sis Betty. 'Cause when we weren't together, made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps me get together, and believes without a doubt that I can move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Ayan. May pang-ano na ako niyan. May pang-highlights na ako nito. I-highlights ko 'yan para sa inyo. BFF, hindi pala. Langga Lerms, Sis Betty, FBI Sander, Sis Ann, 'yan. Sis Dean,